In this video, I'm going to show you how to set expiration date for files on Google Drive. So if you open up your Google Drive and select a file, so how you're going to do is you can set expiration date when you share a file with someone. So if you, for example, if I got this document, if you right click on it, click on the three dots on the file and then hit on the share option here. Okay, and if you click on share, then what happens is that here you can add the person whom you want to share it with. So you just add that, and then once you add that, next to the person's name, next to the user's name, there will be like a down there. So you're going to click the down arrow. There will be an arrow here, and from there you can select add expiration date and then select the date how you want to. And once you've set that, you can click on send. Okay, and this feature is primarily available for Google Workspace accounts only. For example, like Google Workspace for education or business account, and is not typically available for like standard personal Gmail accounts like mine here. But this is how you actually do it.